Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The all-new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee has finally arrived. Slotting in alongside the 3-row variant that was unveiled earlier this year, the standard 2-row model gains essentially the same new tech and features, albeit with less interior passenger and cargo room. It's not all downsides, though, as the 2-row model is also the first variant of the Grand Cherokee to incorporate Jeep's new 4xe or 4xe plug-in hybrid powertrain. We covered quite a bit of ground with the unveiling of the Grand Cherokee L, so be sure to check that out if you're curious about any of the Grand Cherokee family's newer features. Let's check about its production assembly line, interior and exterior, reviews, features and specifications as well as price. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. The regular 2-row version of the redesigned Grand Cherokee was revealed on Wednesday, and is due to reach dealerships toward the end of the year. There aren't many differences to the Grand Cherokee L, but there is a new plug-in hybrid powertrain that carries Jeep's 4xe, 4xe, designation first seen on the Wrangler. The Grand Cherokee 4xe features the same setup as the Wrangler 4xe or 4xe. It consists of a 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 and a pair of motor generators, one replacing the engine starter motor and the other integrated with the transmission, in this case an 8-speed automatic. Peak output is 375 HP and 470 foot-lab of torque, and a 17 kilowatt-hour battery is said to be good for about 25 miles of electric range. Towing capacity for the Grand Cherokee 4xe or 4xe is 6,000 pounds. If you're seeking more, a 5.7-liter V8 is available. This powertrain is good for 357 HP and 390 foot-lab and has a towing capacity of 7,200 pounds. The final powertrain option is a 293 HP 3.6-liter V6 which can be configured with rear or four-wheel drive, unlike the plug-in hybrid and V8 setups which are four-wheel drive only. The other big news is the return of the Trailhawk off-road grade, which can be ordered with the plug-in hybrid powertrain. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, along with steel skid plates, an integrated off-road camera, the Quadra-Drive 2 4-wheel drive system, and an air suspension able to provide up to 11.3 inches of ground clearance for improved approach, departure, and breakover angles. Waterfording is also up to 24 inches. The real trick is a new sway bar disconnect feature to allow for improved wheel articulation for all you rock crawling folks. Finally, there's Jeep Select Speed Control for managing vehicle speed in 4-low. Jeep is also yet to confirm whether the 4xe or 4xe option will be offered in the Grand Cherokee L, but the move is likely given the two Grand Cherokee variants are twins under the skin. Jeep is also quite serious about electrification and is even establishing its own charging stations at trailheads. Jeep also promises to deliver a zero-emission vehicle in every segment it competes in by as early as 2025. This will be made possible thanks to 4 highly flexible battery electric platforms being developed by Stellantis. The platforms are the STLA Small, STLA medium, STLA large, and STLA frame, and they will offer range figures starting at 300 miles and going all the way up to 500 miles. For the first time, the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee is offered with an efficient plug-in hybrid powertrain, joining Jeep's 4xe range of electrified off-roaders. Available in the Grand Cherokee Limited, Trailhawk, Overland, Summit and Summit Reserve, the 4xe or 4xe hybrid system combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors and a 400-volt battery pack. Impressively, the electrified Trailhawk, distinguished by its blue tow hooks and 18-inch wheels with blue accents, conquered the Rubicon Trail using all-electric power. With 4 driving modes are available in the Grand Cherokee 4xe or 4xe, Hybrid, Electric, and e-Save. The latter prioritizes the engine and saves the battery charge for later use. No matter which mode you select, the Grand Cherokee 4xe or 4xe functions as a hybrid when the battery reaches its minimum state of charge. As standard, the 3.6-liter Pentasta V6 rated at 293 HP and 260 foot-lab of torque is available for Laredo, Limited, Trailhawk, Overland and Summit trims. If you want more power, the 4x4 Trailhawk, Overland and Summit can be equipped with an optional 5.7-liter V8 good for 357 HP and 390 foot-lab. All trims come with an 8-speed automatic transmission. With the 5.7-liter V8, the 2022 Grand Cherokee will tow up to 7,200 pounds. The new Trailhawk improves on the Grand Cherokee's 4x4 capability with standard all-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch wheels, an approach angle of 35.7 degrees, and a departure angle of 30.2 degrees. Other standard equipment for the Trailhawk includes an integrated off-road camera, a sway bar disconnect for improved articulation and traction over rocks and rough terrain, steel skid plates, and red tow hooks. If we talk about the interior, we found the redesigned interior features dual 10.1-inch screens for the digital cluster and infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. A separate 10.25-inch display is available for the front passenger along with new rear seat screens featuring built-in Amazon Fire TV to entertain rear passengers. New 16-way adjustable front seats offer power lumbar and memory, while front driver and passenger seats in higher trims include a back massage function. Heated and vented seats are also available in the first 2 rows. A 10-inch head-up display is available for Overland and Summit trims, and a digital rear-view mirror can be equipped for limited trims and above. You can pause and see the all models of the all-new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee with its technical specifications. The all-new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee standard safety tech includes a collision warning with active braking and pedestrian as well as cyclist detection, rear crosspath detection, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, active lane management, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, advanced brake assist, blind spot monitoring, rear backup camera, rear park assist sensors, electric parking brake, and a tire pressure monitoring. If you like any of this model of all new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee, so please comment below your choice. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.